Welcome to Chino Self-Storage, home of professional and friendly staff. We are conveniently located on Euclid Avenue, just south of Kimball Avenue, in Chino, California. We've constructed our state-of-the-art facility with great care. Ask us about our automatic payments. Ask us about our free moving truck upon move-in. We offer interior and exterior storage units. We also offer box, locks, and packing supplies. Our professional and friendly staff cannot wait to help you with your storage needs.